Hello everyone, Coach Joe here. And if you struggle with knee pain, today I have got 3 squat variations that can help reduce pain while squatting. And the first variation is a chair or box squat. You can have a bench, a chair, a box, or anything really behind you that you can squat down to. And you'll get in your squat stance in front of your bench or chair or whatever it is that you have, and you'll squat down and touch the box and back up. And what this does is this gives you something to squat down to and helps relieve pressure on the knees during this bottom part of the squat. And then you stand back up. So having this chair or bench or whatever behind you helps relieve the pressure on the bottom part of the squat. And the next variation is a goblet squat. So you'll have your dumbbell or a kettlebell or really anything that you can hold between your hands at your chest. Now it doesn't have to be heavy for our purposes here. Like I've just got 3 pounds right here. So it doesn't really have to be heavy for our purposes for knee pain. And you'll hold your dumbbell in front of you and you'll squat down. Now, the reason why you would have a dumbbell or whatever and do a goblet squat is that this encourages you to stay a little more upright instead of leaning over and putting more pressure on your knees. So that's why it doesn't really have to be really heavy for our purposes here. And back up. Just to keep you a little more upright and relieve pressure on the knees. And our third and last variation today is the wall squat. And there are a couple of different ways that you can do this one. First, you can have a ball and put it behind you on the wall. Feet square and squat. Back up. And squat. And this gives you something to brace against, so again it reduces the pressure on the knees, but you're still working your hamstrings and your glutes. And you can also do it without the ball, standing a little bit out from the wall, back against the wall, and down, up, and down, up. And if you can't slide on the wall, what you can do is you can just get into this bottom position and just hang out here and do a more of a wall sit rather than a squat mode up and down, up and down. You get more of that isometric work in here with this wall sit, and you just sit here and hold, and you're working your thighs, your hamstrings, and your glutes. And again, you have something to brace against on the wall, so it does reduce the pressure on the knees, at least just a little. So there you have it, 3 squat variations that can help reduce pain while squatting. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you got something out of it. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe and ring that bell icon so you don't miss the next video. And if you would like more and longer workout classes, more content, then find me on Patreon at patreon.com/CoachJoe. And I'll see you next time.